નમસ્તે, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Hello students, today we are going to learn English grammar second lesson articles. As you know, articles is a most important topic in English grammar. There are mainly three types of article in our English: a, an, and the. A and an are considered as a indefinite articles, and the is considered as a definite articles. So in that lesson we have to study about articles. So let's start it. First of all, I read as you shown on screen. A and an are indefinite articles. Where we have to put a or an article, first of all we have to understand about it. A comes before nouns that are singular and countable and beginning with consonant sounds. We can put a articles before singular and countable nouns. Everybody knows about singular and countable nouns, whom we called as countable nouns. Anything, place or person's name or any nouns we can count is known as a countable nouns. And singular and plural everybody knows, and that beginning with consonant sounds. Nouns started with a consonant sound and singular and countable. At that noun we have to put article a. Now an article also comes before noun that are singular and countable but beginning with vowel sound. Here an article we can put before vowel sounds nouns. Vowels everybody knows that a, e, I, o, u is known as a vowel. So any noun sound started with a vowel we have to put an article. The is the definite article of English language. The comes before nouns that are particular and definite. Particular nouns, before particular nouns we have to put the articles. Okay? Now take note of the following points. Here some points is given here. See here. A and n are used in place of one or single. They cannot be used for plural nouns. A and n, both articles, as a known as a indefinite articles. We can put it before one thing or singular thing. They cannot be used for plural nouns. We cannot put article a and n before plural nouns. If there are adjectives or adverbs before a noun, the article must agree with the word that come right after it. If there are adjectives or adverbs before a noun, everybody knows about that. Nouns, before noun we can put adjective or adverb to modify nouns. Okay? So if there are nouns with adjective and adverb, the article must agree with the word that come right after it. Means article is agree with the word adjective or adverb, not with nouns. So keep in mind, before noun if adjective and adverb is putted, then we have to see the adjective words first letter and adverbs first letter, and then we have to put the articles according to that sounds. Can you understand now? Now next topic is there. A is used before words that beginning with a vowel but sound like a consonant. A article is also put before the words that beginning with a vowel but sound. If noun spelling started with a vowel a, e, I, o, u, but we have to make a sound of that spelling, that noun. If sound is consonant, then we have to put a article before that. If spelling started with a vowel but sound is consonant, then we have to put a article before that. N is also used before words that beginning with a consonant but sound like a vowel. And like that, vice versa, N article is used before vowel sound. Sound must be vowel. Then we have to put N article. If spelling started with a consonant letter but sound is vowel, then we have to put N article before that. Now next topic is there uncountable nouns that are preceded by an adjective or an adverb do not have indefinite article before them. Before uncountable nouns we cannot not put any type of articles. Uncountable nouns have an adjective or adverb before that, but uncountable noun is there, so we cannot put that articles before uncountable nouns. Abstract nouns now rules is there. Abstract nouns also do not have indefinite articles before them. Abstract nouns, we cannot put any indefinite article before abstract nouns. Indefinite articles means a or n. We cannot put article a-n-o-n before abstract nouns. Now, the is used before almost all types of definite nouns. Every definite nouns have a the articles. Most of definite nouns have a the article. It's a countable or uncountable, singular or plural, abstract or concrete. Any type of noun which is a definite nouns, we can put article the before that types of noun. If noun is countable or uncountable, noun is singular or plural, noun is abstract or concrete, we can put, if noun is definite, then we can put article the before that. If an object has been mentioned with an indefinite article first, the definite article will be used for the same noun in later context. If an object has been mentioned with an indefinite article first, the definite article will be means starting point in first sentence we discussed about any noun, then we have to put indefinite article first time a or n. After that noun repeated in the next context means next paragraph, that noun comes again, then we have to put the article. Can you understand now? Now last topic is there. Some proper nouns are also preceded by the. For example, the United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland. Some proper nouns also preceded by the article. Some limited proper nouns, before proper nouns we can that put definite article the. So keep in mind that points while you are using articles in English grammar. So students, we studied about articles. Now based on our study, you can understand that articles have two types of articles: indefinite article, definite article. Indefinite article is known as a or an article, and definite article is known as the article. So a and an article, where we have to put, first of all we have to understand about it. A or an articles means indefinite articles comes before singular nouns and countable nouns. So noun in a singular form and noun also countable nouns, we can put article a or n. A article put before the consonant sound and an article put before the vowel sound. Example is given here, a doctor. So doctor is a consonant sound, so a article is placed here. An actor, it started with a vowel sound, so we put an article before that. On other side, definite article the is used with a singular and plural noun, countable and uncountable nouns, abstract and concrete nouns. So the definite article we can use with a singular or plural noun. If noun is countable or uncountable, we can put the article. Like that, abstract noun, before abstract noun, and before concrete nouns, we can put article the. Example is given here. The world, the sun. So both example are the word is a definite things, definite noun. So the word, the sun, like that, the sun. So here we studied about indefinite and definite articles. Okay, student, thank you. Thank you for joining us.